Hey guys, Nav here again, and today I am bringing you another video about altcoins. A couple days ago I released a video doing the giveaway winner, so if you haven't already checked that out, go check it out, and I've DM'd the winner now because they asked for PayPal. If we can get to 80 subscribers in the next week, I will do regular giveaways on the channel. It should be really easy to win because I have such little subscribers right now. So let's get me to 80 subscribers and let's do this. So today's video, I'll be talking about an altcoin that I recently invested in about a day and a half ago, and I think this altcoin has the potential to be 10 times return, 15 times return, or up to even 50 times return if you hold it long enough. I'm going to hold this coin until about the end of 2018, unless something crazy happens and I see profit-taking potential at a lower price. But this is a long-term hold for me. I added a small position to my portfolio, about $2,000, just to play with it. I like the actual platform of this coin and their project they're doing. That's why I'm invested in them, not because of much else. But I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to show you guys and explain to you why I got into it. So it's currently sitting, I believe, at 50 something here, 51st place. It's called Ethos. So Ethos is basically a wallet. It's a Bitcoin wallet, cryptocurrency wallet. So they're one of the first projects that I've seen to do a wallet that's able to hold a lot of altcoins and a majority of them. Sorry about that. Things like Exodus and blockchain wallets, they don't hold all these altcoins that you'd buy on Binance or something. So instead of just storing them in your Binance account where there's the risk of them being lost, Ethos does a wallet that basically holds majority of these cryptocurrencies that you would find on Binance and such. So currently they're in 51st on the coin market cap with a market cap of 777 million, with a circulating supply of 75 million. One of the things that intrigued me about this coin is the circulating supply. The fact that they're only 75 million and they're only at $10 right now means like they have tons of room to grow in my mind. Their market cap's so low for where it possibly could be. So we're up 17% today, which is actually pretty good. And if we pull up the 1 month chart, you can see major spike from, what was this, $6.60 to $8 and it's almost $9. That's a pretty good jump. It corrected itself and it made another jump. I think we're going to see a little correction here and then it's going to jump again. So I bought in just when it corrected a little bit below. I think I got in at 10.20 or something. Either way, I bought into that with $2,000 and I'm going to play it out to see where it goes. So let's pull up their website here and you guys can read about it yourselves and see what you like about it. But I like the team behind it and the fact that they're one of the only teams doing this, universal wallet for a lot of cryptocurrencies. Their team is like really well educated and they're definitely certified to do something like this. And I see the potential for Ethos to be immense right now. So if you're looking for something that has the potential for a long-term hold, I think you guys should check out Ethos and do your own research on it and tell me what you think. So that's the one I got into a day and a half ago. I'm going to hold that for a while. It's a little update for you guys. Bitcoin currently sitting at $16,255, down 5% from yesterday. And the Bitcoin dominance is 33.4%, so it's been hovering around this level for a while now. Market cap, we're getting close to $1 trillion here. We're at $816 billion. I believe yesterday we were at 755, so we're growing quickly. And when we see this hit $1 trillion, like people ask me, oh, what's so important about cryptocurrencies hitting $1 trillion market cap? When really there is nothing important about it, but it's all psychological. When this hits $1 trillion, we're gonna see, news articles about it. It's gonna be on the news. It's just gonna become more aware to other people because of the $1 trillion market cap. And you're going to see people jump into Bitcoin just because that's what they know. So, I think when this hits $1 trillion, we'll see a large spike, just psychological, investments. So that's my prediction based on that. Currently still holding my Tron, down a bit of money on that. IOTA doing well. I think IOTA's due for a spike soon, so that's another one to watch. Litecoin had a big jump a couple days ago. Saw that at like 22%, I think. Still holding my Cardano nicely. I did sell a bit of that actually, just to put more money into, what did I put it into actually? I put it into Verge. I sold about a quarter of my Cardano and threw it into Verge just as a safe bet, in case Verge does something crazy. BitConnect, still doing well on BitConnect, keep you guys updated on everything else. But whole purpose of this video is to show you guys Ethos. Do your own research on it, watch this video. It'll explain what the wallet is going to do, and make your investment based on that. I see it as a long-term hold. So if you guys, I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but if you guys are looking for something and you've never heard of Ethos, go check it out. Potential returns are insane, just because of the circulating supply and the project they're doing. So I can see this as a big hit in the future. If you guys like this video, drop a like, subscribe. Let's get to 80 subscribers and we'll do some giveaways. And that's it for today's video. I will catch you guys later.